amber. We have Al Haramain perfume, best quality amber available with us. You can see there is a very good quality white color amber, and you can use for the perfume, you can use for the medicine, you can eat every day. Wow, very good smell. It's very good smell, mashallah, tabarakallah. You can try and eat this one. Wow. Wow, very tasty, very tasty. I tried this one. It's more tasty, this one more tasty than old one. Mashallah, it's very good quality of amber. You can use for the perfume. If you put in the perfume in this amber, the perfume can long lasting minimum 7 days. You just use a small percentage, then you see the perfume how it's long lasting. So, if you are looking for the amber, oh mashallah, visit Al Haramain, find the best quality, white color, brown color, black color, every quality of amber available with Al Haramain. Thank you for visiting Al Haramain.